New tonight, a Central Iowa business says they're celebrating a win this weekend. On Friday, a federal judge blocked vaping regulations from taking effect. KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson is live outside the U.S. courthouse now. And Ophelia, the person that you spoke with says this is a step in the right direction.
Yeah, Todd, that's right. At the beginning of April, several Iowa vaping businesses and organizations were here arguing against regulations outlined in a new state law, while the Iowa Department of Revenue defended that law. Now, just 1 month later, a judge now says those regulations cannot take effect.
It's definitely a win in the right direction, but we still have a long ways to go.
Ashley Hartman, Chief Strategy Officer for Central Iowa Vapors, says she can breathe a sigh of relief after a federal judge blocked an Iowa law from taking effect. That law would have imposed new regulations on e-cigarettes and vaping products sold in the state.
It essentially would have shut our stores down. There's only 26 products that are currently approved on the registry federally, and so that would have completely wiped away everything in our stores.
The court ruled Friday the law, quote, impermissibly intrudes upon the federal government's exclusive authority to enforce the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. The law was set to take effect in February, but it was put on pause after a group of vaping businesses and organizations, including Central Iowa Vapors, sued the Iowa Department of Revenue in December.
This has allowed us to keep our doors open and continue to offer harm reduction products to our adult consumers.
Last month, a federal judge heard arguments in the case. The Iowa Department of Revenue asked the judge not to grant an injunction, saying it would stop Iowans potentially hurt by e-cigarette or vaping products from being able to sue. Hartman says she's not against regulation, she just wants it to be fair. She hopes the state will rewrite the law.
In the law, it states that no product should be available if it was produced after a certain date. And so we believe that that date needs taken out because it really stops the evolution of science and technology.
Hartman says customers should continue to keep an eye on the latest developments in the case.
We are going to ask for support from our consumers because this has been a big fight. It's cost a lot of money, but we're not going to give up.
And I did reach out to the Attorney General's office to ask if they plan on appealing this decision. I did not hear back. Live in downtown Des Moines, Ophelia Jacobson, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.